Hello, mathletes! This is your math coach, and today we will evaluate algebraic expressions. Let's take a look at our rookie level question. We have two of them today, and the first one says 15 less than a number. As we write our algebraic expression for this, what we want to do is we want to look for any keywords that we have. My keyword here is less than. Now I know this represents one of my four operations, either add, subtract, multiply, or divide. So what helps me sometimes when I'm trying to solve a rookie level question like this is where it says a number here, I'm going to substitute an actual number in there. I'm going to say 20. Now what I need to figure out is 15 less than 20. If I had to answer this question, what would my answer be? Well, the answer for 15 less than 20 is 5. Now, how do I set up these numbers to give me that answer of 5? Well, if I'm going to take 15 less than 20, I'm going to put the 20 here, and I'm going to take 15 less than that, which gives me that answer of 5. Now, remember, though, 20 isn't our number here. We're supposed to leave it just general as a number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the 20, and that's where I'm going to put my variable. I'm going to choose n for my variable because n represents this unknown number that I have. So here's my first expression, n minus 15. Moving on to the next one, the product of a number and 8. Well, here's my keyword. The word is product. I remember that that means multiply. So what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to take my number, I'm going to choose n again, and I'm going to multiply it by 8. Now, here's one way that we could write that. The other way that we'll see more and more in 7th grade and especially 8th grade looks like this, where there's no dot, there's no x. We just know that a number and a variable means multiply. Okay, let's move on to that rookie level and move on to the pro level. Here's our pro level question. It says a library charges 15 cents per day for an overdue book. Write an expression for the total amount charged for overdue books. Okay, so I need to write an algebraic expression to represent this situation. What helps me do this sometimes is creating a table. So I'm going to create a table for this situation. Well, if I have a book for one day, it's going to cost me that 15 cents that they talk about in the problem. If I have an overbook for 2 days, well, that's going to cost me 30 cents. Now let's jump up to 10 days. If I have an overdue book for 10 days, how much is that going to cost me? Well, it cost me $1.50. Now, you're probably wondering, math coach, where do I get that $1.50 from? Well, what I did is I took the 10 days, and since it's 15 cents per day, I'm going to multiply those two together. So my equation is going to look like this 15 cents times the number of days. So my mathematical expression looks like this, 15D. Well, I hope this session was helpful for you. Don't forget, mathletes, keep practicing and build those math muscles.